One tool will single-handedly change the way you measure. The new 2-in-1 laser tape measure from General Tools. Measuring with 2 hands and 2 people is too much trouble. With the push of a button, the laser precisely measures up to 50 feet with 1 hand, and the tape handles all your smaller measurements. The laser tape measure from General Tools. So you can measure everything faster.
Measurements are integral to our everyday lives, but they can put us into risky and tricky situations or require someone else to help gauge those lengthy distances. But here's a change by Magpie Tech VH80. Now, you can get out of that risky spot and don't need a helping hand to determine long distances. VH80 measures in not 1, but 2 directions. From one press of a button, you can acquire the left, right, and total value at once, saving you precious time and energy on every move, and allowing you to work with greater efficiency by making you the focal point. Also, your measurements can be instantly updated to your smart device with our Sketch application, where you can design and plan for any projects. VH80's additional functions enable you to use continuous measuring mode to find midpoints, Pythagoras function to reach heights, and calculate the area and volume of any space. Life made easier. VH80 by Magpie Tech. We take that extra step so you don't have to.
Alright, so the first button up top here is the memory button. If you click it once, you'll see the recorded measurements, and the VH80 records 9 measurements, stores it in its memory, so you can see the first 3 there. And then if you click the memory button again, you'll see the next 3, 4, 5, and 6, and you can continue to click through like that. If you click the home button or on button, and then you press and hold the memory button, you can change between the bi-directional lasers, 2 lasers, to 1 laser now, including the base. So you can see it's just shooting out of one side. If you press and hold again, you'll switch to 1 direction, not including the base, so it'll come out of the other side. And if you press and hold again, you'll switch back to bi-directional lasers, so the classic 2 lasers that will give you lasers from both sides.
Really love this Bosch GLM 400C. It is a little bit bigger than some of the LDMs, but it's so nice. So I need to measure, you can see my laser right here. I need to measure to the end of this wall, and I don't want to hit that wall behind. And between here and where I'm measuring from are obstructions. So we have this little reinforcement for the block wall coming down a few more feet. We have another one. So an LDM could easily hit any of those lengths. But you probably can't see it on the screen, but the laser is on the wall where it needs to be. But I can't look at the laser at the same time as the screen. So what's nice about this 400 is there's a little bullseye in there. You see that? So right there I'm hitting the reinforcement at 22 foot, 3 inches, but right there is where I need to be, 33.
Extend your reach with the Bosch Blaze GLM20 laser measure. It's accurate up to 1/8 of an inch and measures up to 65 feet. As easy as a tape measure, just turn on the Blaze GLM20 and start measuring with just 1 button operation. Default real-time measuring allows you to single-handedly measure or estimate your jobs. The unit also displays up to 2 measurements, so your last measurement is always right there for you. The measurement units can be set to feet and inches, inches only, and meters. Its compact size design was made to carry in your pocket or tool belt. It's great for contractors, painters, drywallers, estimators, interior designers, or real estate agents. This will be your new go-to tool. Measure on with the Bosch Blaze GLM20 laser measure. For more information, check out this page and be sure to check out the complete family of Bosch Blaze laser measures.